Welcome to Parsimony, your comprehensive solution for efficient business management. In this video, we'll show you how to create a product bundle using the stock function in Parsimony. First, let's navigate to the stock module. To do this, click on the stock icon on your dashboard. Now we're in the stock module. Here, you can manage your inventory, track stock levels, and create product bundles. Select Product Bundle under Items and Catalog menu. To create a new product bundle, click on the Add Product Bundle button at the top right corner of the screen. Select Parent Item. You can also add a description for your bundle. Now, let's add some items to our product bundle. Click on the Add Item button. Search for the items you want to add to your bundle. You can adjust the quantity of each item as needed. You can disable the product bundle once you experience inventory management issues such as stockouts or overstocking. Once you've added all your items, click Save to save your product bundle. Let's review our product bundle. You can see all the items added. That's it. You've successfully created a product bundle in Parsimony. You can now use this bundle to simplify your inventory management and sales processes. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact our support team.